Bonjour tout le monde. Salut, mes amis in Saint-Romain in de France. Well, I think that's how you say it. Anyway, welcome to day 4 of this job in France. I was up to 9:30 last night painting, as you can see. Painting the woodwork. So that's all done, ceiling's painted, the woodwork's done. Job's still left to do, the plaster's still not dried out yet, as you can see. But it is drying out, and now I've got to prepare the floor because today's job is the tiling. But I'm dreading doing this floor. Metre by a metre tiles on an uneven floor in a room which is like a triangle. Anyway, it's not worth whinging and mithering about it, is it? So as usual, let's get on with it. Cheers. Now, first job I need to do is prepare the edge of the walls for the tiles. So what I've got to do here is cut 1 inch off the bottom of the plaster along the wall so moisture won't suck up the bottom of the wall. So I've got to do that with the new plaster along the bottom there. I've got to sort out under the bottom of the door frames to allow the tiles to slip under. So that's all the jobs for this morning. Last bit, and it's only 10:05 in the morning, and I'm dripping again. And it's only about 35 degrees. It's only this last bit, then sort the wood out round the bottom. So, I've just set up for the first cut and it started raining. Good job we've got this outside shelter. But I don't care about getting wet at the moment because it's about 35 degrees and I'm sweating. So, I got my little battery grinder ready. I've taped out where I need to cut my first cut. Now I haven't got a clue how these tiles are going to cut, but it's a first again. So I've got my mask and my safety glasses, which are frosted. Sunglasses, really. I haven't got any ear defenders because I forgot my PPE bag. But I am deaf as a post anyway, so remember to wear your PPE. So, let's get that first cut done. Here goes. Well, my diamond cutter isn't cutting very good, but at least it's cracked on the right side. This is not going to be good. Lidl, your batteries are rubbish. It's run out already. It's a good job I've got 5 of them. We will get there in a minute. that's the first cut. Let's see if it fits. That's the first one down. Well, first one cut, and another 8 to go. Camera. That weirdo with my sister-in-law. Now I've managed to get 4 dry fitted and cut, which has taken God knows how many hours. Rosie, don't walk on them. Because I've so far out this floor, I'm going to have to lay them all at the same time, so I'm going to finish off cutting the rest of these behind me, and then tomorrow stick them down. That's the only way I'm going to do it, so don't ever try and fit these because they're bigger. And now for the final cut, the final piece. Well, I think the French would say en voilà, or en vol, anyway. The final piece. So, God knows what time it is, they've all gone out. About 5 o'clock I reckon. So I think that's a good day, cutting all these cells up. They're all, well, they all dry fit. Shows how bad this concrete floor is. So I guess by 5 o'clock tomorrow I should have got them laid down. So, that's the end of day 4. Hopefully day 5 goes as well as day 4 did. So, au revoir, as I like to say over here. Well, cheers, see you tomorrow, as we like to say in Manchester. Bonjour et bienvenue au je 5. Something like that. Anyway, welcome to day 5. First of all, I'm going to get some stuff mixed, get these tiles laid down. Now, don't have to do my best French today because I brought this from England. Now it says on the bag maximum temperature 30 degrees. It's a bit cooler today, it's only about 24, 25 at the moment, but it is only 9:30 in the morning. So I need to get some mixed up and get the first 2 down and see what it's like before I mix a big batch. So I'm going to do half a bag and see where that goes and see how many tiles we get down. So, that we're done with everything here. Let's get on with it. Here's a handy little gadget, levelling spaces. So you put that under the tile and then put the wedge in and it levels up the tiles for you, hopefully. So we'll see if these work. So, 4 down. These are amazing. Why have I never used them before on a floor? So, it's no good admiring it. Let's get the rest down. Now, for the last tile, which is going to be the hardest one. So, these have been amazing. This floor would not have gone down without me bringing these. So whoever invented these, well done mate, or lady, or whoever you are. Right. So, the final piece. Just had 2 ladies now telling me what the final end is. It's, what was it? Et voilà?
Et voilà, c'est fini.
Et voilà, c'est fini. Yeah, there you go. Now, that's the floor done. I'm going to get these edges done along here today while I've got the stuff mixed. And then tomorrow, clean it and grout it. So, and it's, what time is it, darling? It's just dinner time as well. Time for a fry-up, I think. Sick of French food. And that's the end of day 5. It's only 2ish in the afternoon. But nothing else I can do now until tomorrow, where I'll grout. I need to redo the paint again and then varnish it because it needs protecting. And then we can start getting some decorating done and then put the kitchen units in and all the other stuff. Melanie's got us some second-hand units, I think. So, I hope you have enjoyed this video. And if you have enjoyed this video, why don't you give us that thumbs up or leave a constructive comment down below. If you're not subscribed to our channel, then please subscribe because it helps. And don't forget to hit that notification bell because you want YouTube to tell you when we're uploading videos. Anyway, all I've got left to say is, thanks for listening, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one, guys. Cheers.